Okay, I am here with Ben Garland at Mackenzie River in Billings, Montana. Ben, how long have you been working with the fry right system?
Oh, I'd say we're right around 5 years, aren't we?
Yeah.
I believe so. It's been quite a while.
And what can you tell people out there who might be interested? What has the fry right system done for you here?
It simplifies everything. Like keeps your oil looking beautiful and usable for a lot longer.
When you say a lot longer, give us an understanding of that time frame.
I've been running my oil. We've been changing out every 2 weeks on a Friday.
So
14 days.
And how long does it take you to scrub out your vats to get them perfect clean?
You maintain them. It takes about 15 minutes per fryer each morning after you boil out, and they're ready to go.
Now, do we call it a boil out?
It is not boil out.
What do we call it?
It's a vat cleaning.
Oh, thank you. You are so awesome. And then,
old habits die hard.
that's the truth, right?
Yeah.
Now, at the end of your vat cleaning, what does the fryer look like inside below the oil line?
Pristine, brand new, shining like the day it was brought in.
Fantastic. So, would you recommend the fry right system to others?
Absolutely.
Well, thank you, Ben. Have a fantastic day and keep cooking great food.
Can do.